Hello and welcome. The following screencast is a brief description of Universal for Design Learning and provides an introduction to two technology tools, Edpuzzle and Padlet, that you may use in your classroom. Although students are expected to score proficiency on the same state test, we as educators know that not all students learn the same way. So the days of one-size instruction in education are long gone. Danielson states that educators, psychologists, and researchers have drawn three significant, consistent conclusions. 1. We think, learn, and create in different ways. 2. The development of our potential is affected by the match between what we are asked to learn and how we are able to apply our particular abilities to the process of learning. And 3. Learners need opportunities to discover and develop their abilities in a range of intelligence area. Although there are many similarities between differentiated instruction and universal design, they are not synonymous. Differentiated focuses on content, process, and products, and making changes for individual students. Universal design deals more directly with the structure of the curriculum. UDL consists of three main principles. 1. Provide multiple means of representation. 2. Provide multiple means of actions and expression. And 3. Provide multiple means of engagement, focusing on multiple intelligences. To quote David H. Rose from Teaching Every Student in the Digital Age, Universal Design for Learning is an extension of an architectural movement called Universal Design. Originally formulated by Ron Mace at North Carolina State University, the idea behind universal design in architecture is to create structures that are conceived, designed, and constructed to accommodate the widest spectrum of users, including those with disabilities, without the need for subsequent adaptation or specialized design. In a UDL classroom, when you plan lessons that focus on as many multiple intelligence as possible, you provide multiple means of representation for all students. The transition to UDL should be gradual. Luis Perez, an accessibility advocate and author of the UDL-inspired book, Mobile Learning for All, said, "You're not going to apply every single guideline to every single lesson. It depends on which ones are relevant to your learning goals." One way to start small is to use Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle allows you to embed questions into videos that students can answer individually. Educators may use multiple choice, true-false, or short response questions. Edpuzzle will instantly provide feedback for students on multiple choice and true and false questions. The short response questions are submitted to the teacher for grading. The teacher will see all student responses. Edpuzzle is free and does not limit the teacher to the number of students in class or the number of videos that they utilize. Here is a short demonstration video that I created.
The moment is about to happen.
As you can see here, each student is being asked the question that they then answer individually on their own device. Once they hit the submit button, they receive feedback on the correct answer. So what happened to the bird? Bird attacked dog, veterinary operated on bird, or dog ate bird. I got the answer correct.
When you need something on a moment's notice, that's a Yellow Book moment. Go to yellowbook.com to get the information you need. Darcy, no! Sorry, the moment you need it, Yellow.
Padlet is another free technology tool. I think of Padlet as digital post-it notes. A major difference is that all the students can see one another's responses. Padlet can be used as an activator to see what students know prior to instruction or for brainstorming, or used as a summarizer. The example here on the screen is from a lesson that I did with my students. I had done book talks, and the students responded to what book they would be most interested in reading. So the students could share why they wanted to read the book, and they could read one another's responses. To sum up, Universal Design for Learning, you need to remember the three principles. Provide multiple means of representation, provide multiple means of actions and expression, and provide multiple means of engagement. Now that you have an idea of what UDL is, you are probably asking yourself, where do I start? There are multiple books and articles on UDL. I have found the following websites useful in planning my lessons for my students. Remember, you want to start small and focus on one lesson at a time. Good luck, and please share your thoughts and suggestions with your colleagues.